Hey guys, what's up? We're coming at you from the National Nutrition Gardens. I'm an essential oil specialist here at National Nutrition, and we're here to give you all your essential oil reviews. Today we are talking all about lime oil. Most of us are familiar with limes, whether it's just zesting a little on the food, adding it to our guac, or let's be honest, adding it to our margaritas. Lime is really great. It has an amazing, unique scent. It's different than the other citrus scents. It kind of has this little bit that kind of makes it kind of set apart. I guess it's maybe the tartness. Limes grow on trees. They are beautiful trees. They have green leaves, beautiful lime fruit on them. Limes are rather small in size, maybe the size of like a golf ball, I guess, maybe around that size, maybe a little bit bigger. So yeah, they're really great. They are now found all over the world, and specifically Mexico actually has such a huge lime industry there. Lime oil from Aromapathic labs is sourced from Brazil, the fun country that it is. The lime oil really represents that funness. It is cold pressed from the peel, so that peel is cold pressed, no heat is involved. The juices in the oils come out. They are then separated, and nothing but 100% pure lime oil goodness is bottled every single time. That extraction method is super important when looking for essential oils because some methods leave nasties behind, solvents, residues, and nobody wants that. Like, no one turns to aromatherapy to have junk in their oil. We turn to aromatherapy to have nothing but 100% purity. So you want to be knowing when you're putting it on your skin, breathing it in, that you're getting 100% pure and freshness. Lime oil is really great because it's super invigorating, it's packed with antioxidants, and it can really increase mental clarity and even increase your creativity. So that's really cool because I know a lot of the times with stress, we kind of get a mental fog or a creativity block, so you can diffuse this bad boy and I'll have you covered. Lime has a really awesome scent. It's very light, it's very fresh. It's citrusy, sweet, with a hint of tartness to it, like I had mentioned before. So it's really a cool oil. I'd have you just kind of wanting to dance and fiesta in no time. It's really great to diffuse. It's really great to mix. Its main active ingredient is, of course, limonene. That gives it its increase in mental clarity, its decrease in stress, its antibacterial, and its antifungal properties. If you mix this with lavender, you're gonna feel de-stressed in no time because we all know lavender helps to really calm the soul. So since lime is a top note, top notes are that first fragrance that hit the nose when you smell something. They're very light, they're very fresh, they're very bright. Lavender is definitely a base note. It's more heavier, it's more herbaceous, it's very aromatic. So that is the base note. When you smell it, the lime hits your nose first and then slowly goes into that lavender heavy scent. That's going to give it that full-bodied, finished off aromatic profile. So like I said, mix the two together to have you stress less so fast. You can also mix it with a lemon oil. The two together are going to create a citrus amazing goodness. They're both top notes, they're very bright, they're very fresh, and they're both antibacterial, amazing household cleaners. You can do it naturally and your house is going to smell so bright, so citrusy, and so happy in no time. Lastly, you can mix it with patchouli oil or frankincense oil. Both are going to help you get that mental clarity, that mental zenness that you need, and they're going to boost your creativity. By mixing it with patchouli oil, patchouli is definitely a heavy, deep scent. We either love it or we hate it. It tends to linger if it's wanted or not, and it's that base note in this profile. So you're going to smell the bright, fresh, citrusy goodness of the lemon. It's going to go into that more earthy scent of patchouli. It's going to bring you back to your Woodstock days, or maybe a modern day Woodstock where you have like margarita in one hand and like peace sign in the other. And if you mix it with frankincense, that's going to be an amazing mental clarity oil as well. It's going to bring you back to your center, bring you to calmness. Frankincense is a little bit more of a middle note because it's not quite as bright and quite as fresh as lime oil, but it still has a nice upbeat profile to it. So you're going to always smell that lime oil first, and it's going to go into that frankincense afterwards. So we hope that you guys loved learning all about lime oil, its many uses, and its amazing scent. Hope that you guys check out our next one if you love these essential oil reviews. And don't forget to check our links below to read all about them at our articles at Nationalnutrition.ca. We hope to catch you guys on the next one. Bye.